fellow traders. Today we're going to be back testing September or something. I don't even really know anymore. Took a butt ass trade today, so back testing to make sure that I can still trade. Cause yeah, it's like, what the fuck's going on? Okay, so we are delivering bearishly off this daily gap, but it seems that the current objective is going to be to take maybe these highs. Now that we are holding this 4 hour, we swept this 4 hour internal low. It does look like we want to move higher, but let's see. We could have, okay, yeah, sub this. We now have like this hourly gap here, this hourly gap here, London highs here as well. Mark those out inside the daily gap. That's really all my only objectives, low key. Just go ahead and skip over to, yeah, and we're still, no, we actually closed. No, we haven't closed through it yet. Wow, that is insane, bros. You can see on the 4 hour, we have came, smack DQ, and kind of now looks like we want to move higher. So, we'll just be reactive and see what price gives us. So, yeah. Nice, 930 immediately does some shit like this. You have lots of LR, lots and lots of LR, lots and lots. We have this 15-minute gap. We probably have a 30-minute gap. Now it looks like, let's see on the hourly. Okay, that looks like we're gonna inverse to this. Nice, nice. Mark out this 1 hour gap. Let's see how we kind of treat this. Nice. Don't even fuck with it. Okay. Wick into the 1 hour gap. Okay. Probably open some kind of 15-minute here. Yeah, we open a 15-minute. Alright, you know, I'm like, I fucking hate using the boxes. I'm sorry, guys. I know you guys like a fucking box, but normally I don't even mark the shit out. And you have the 1 hour here. It's engineered liquidity. It's really not important anymore either. Nice. Could get a continuation just off this, potentially. Let's see. See what we want to do here. Nice. We've tapped into the 15-minute. Swell. See reaction off the 15-minute. Yikes. Not liking that. And we have this like bearish delivery off that. So let's see, this 15-minute will be our condition. Looks like we're about to close through it. No, 10 a.m. We're still holding it. See if we got a higher time frame inverse. Hell nah. See on the 5-minute, we came down here, we're holding this 5-minute. Did inverse this. Condition's slightly unclear. I don't like that we're delivering bearish off this. We do have this higher time frame 4 hour that we are. Let's see if we inverse this as well. Dude, oh my god, there's actually no way right now. Yeah, I think this was like a Jewish fake out here. Watch. I bet 100% this is a Jewish fake out. Watch, let's see. I bet we're just gonna do some bullshit. Yeah. Oh my god, keep predicting the Jewish fake out. Yeah, if you ever see some shit like this, bros, especially on the 1 minute, like we want to see both of these gaps get inversed. Okay, because or you'll have some shit like this. A Jewish fake out. Alright, boys. Let's see. Okay, like we are not this is like the only thing, but we've printed enough LR that I don't know, I'll just have to see, because we're still chilling above that. Now we've had a good turtle soup. Maybe if we can get a wow, literally jack diddly shit. And now 10 a.m.'s kind of just chopping around, so let's see. This inverse is butt. Look at the wicks. Yeah, yippee. Maybe now this might play out. Looks like a fade ass day though, I can't lie. Looks like a fade ass day. Let's see. Now it's 10:30. 10:30 is opened. Okay, we wick down. We're just doing some bullshit. We're still holding this. Maybe we'll wick this out. No, we don't. Nice. Maybe we'll get nice displacement through that. Nope, we're just fucking around. Fat rejection wick. Okay, looks like, does anything happen today? Okay, at 10:44, we finally get an inverse with generated equal lows at your stop. Not gonna lie, bros. Looks like butt ass conditions. Looks like dog diddly dick shit. Look at this on the 5-minute. We're doing fuck all. Might have a better inverse. Oh yeah, technically, and this wasn't even the highest time frame. Inverse. Let's see if we even actually inverse that. We do. Look at the rejection wicks though. Wick almost the same size as the body on towards buy side. Not liking that. Yeah. Was this another Jewish fake out? Does Key predict another Jewish fake out? Holy moly. Well, yeah, conditions are butt. We're rejecting bearish off this 1 hour, 15 minutes. So now we're just kind of bouncing in gaps. And price right now just kind of looks like we don't know what we want to do. 1 minute's doing this bullshit inside of a 15-minute gap. So, yeah, let's just go to the next day. Sorry, guys. That was butt. Be like that sometimes, though. Be like that sometimes. It be like that. It be like that. It do be like that. Put the mic a little bit closer to my beautiful voice, because genuinely, you guys don't get it. I don't know. What am I saying? Somebody stop this guy. Ugh, shit. Hopefully higher time frame buy model. Sort of looking like maybe could be okay. Oh my god, the hiccups are crazy. There's got to be some kind of gap over here. Oh yes, look at this, boys. They have a 2-hour gap from fucking Africa session that we've honestly now closed through. Market sentiment's very, very bullish, or very, very bearish though. My apologies. 1 hour. Look, he's still bearish. Wow. Okay. Really no high time frame gaps. We're delivering off this 4-hour gap. Looks like shit. Wow. Okay. Literally looks like about every time frame is fucking bearish. Yeah. Literally, I don't think there's a single time frame 5-minute we're chopping. Nice. And then there's 1 hour that we just closed through. Nice. Okay, so once again, market has no fucking idea what it wants to do. Let's see on the 2 hour, however, we're acting off this gap. Are we dead ass, bruh? Okay, so we have now, looks like we're closing through it. So it looks like the next draw is going to be the like PM session. Is this 4 a.m. or 4? This is 4 a.m. So that's a London lows, I believe. Dude, I'm a god. Oh my god. I'm not marking this out. I'm sorry. Okay. Hopefully we can open condition to get a continuation towards here. That's really all I'd be looking for at this rate, low key. With this 15-minute, like getting, or not the 2 hour, we're just fucking through it. And then also I think we have an hourly. Where was it? I don't know. Let's just see what do we do it open. Holy fucking guacamole penis, bros. Okay, so we have fucked off at market. We have professionally fucked around at market. Nice. No, what the fuck are we doing, bruh? What the fuck are we doing? Okay. Can we open, like, some form of something, bro? It's 9:45. Oh my god, bro. Are we dead ass? Finally, we've opened a 5-minute gap. Can we get a retrace? Retrace. Bro, what is my PO3 on? I'm using the 15-minute PO3. I was using the 15-minute PO3 today, though. I can't lie. Dude. Well, we can see our manipulations that was up here sweeping, like, this bullshit, like, on the hourly. Yeah, sweeping fucking this. Not even a high, really. I mean, a wick. We swept a wick. Yippee-dee-doo-dee. Yippee-dee-doo-dah. Maybe we'll open a 15-minute. Let's pray that this 5-minute can get filled. Oh, nope. We're gonna shit the bed. Okay, we've now... Okay, we've now opened a 15-minute. 15-minute. I'm sorry. I'm not marking this out, boys. Use your fucking imagination. Okay. Let's see if we can run to that. If we... I'll probably piss my pants if we run to that. Low-key. Oh my god, no way. Holy shit. Are we serious right now? What the fuck are we doing? Oh, I don't think we've fucking formed it yet. Oh, okay, we get the 5-minute gap tap. Ooh, it kind of buns though. Holy shit. Let's see. Yo. 2-minute here. Let's really analyze this right quick. Wow, it's a perfect 1-to-1 at fucking Narnia London lows. What did we really sweep though? We swept a wick, tapped into this 5-minute with a 15-minute at our stop. This feels like another Jewish fake out. But it's like, where are we going from here? Well, boys, I don't know. I'm not really liking this, bro. I don't know if I'd be willing to risk money on this, but I bet this shit'll play out. Low-key ski. Could be another Jewish fake out. I really, really want to see this 15-minute get tapped into. 10 a.m. What time is it? Right here. 10:10. We still haven't tapped it. I don't think that we'll tap into that. Maybe we just won't. But it's like, look at that, bro. There's no... I think this is a Jewish fake out, boys. Okay, I'm not willing to put money on this. If I predicted the Jewish fake out 3 times, am I a god at trading? Why did I take such butt ass trade today when I can do shit like this? Okay, let's see. Oh my god. It may have been a Jewish fake out. Oh no, it would have TP'd, huh? Oh no. Oh yeah, sweet chop. Oh yeah. Boy, another fucking Jewish fake out. Yes. Yes. Watch. And now we can get our entry bros. Now we've tapped into the 15-minute. Now we have HR above. Now we rebalanced. Oh, we rebalanced so nice. With LR. With LR. Oh, boys. Boys. Please, just shit the fucking bed. No way. Yeah, shit the bed. Good shit. Good shit. Wait, we might have a better inverse. Hold up. I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom. Alrighty, I'm back. Sorry, that Chipotle fucked me, bros. It did. It fucked me. I can't lie. Oh, we have a 3-minute. You know, I am a fan of 3 minutes, bros. Ooh, this wick here is looking nice. We're getting rejection wicks on both sides, though. We do have a rejection block formed here. I don't know why we would... This is clearly the draw. So let's see. We have the 3-minute inverse. Let's see how we get this. Fat displacement? I'm taking this. There ain't no way. Are we fucking serious? Looks like we're just going to dick around. Okay, there we go. Finally. Now, the displacement is very nice. Okay, I can't lie. I don't like that we interacted with it on the 2-minute. Now, on the 4-minute, it's just enough candles to be justified. And it aligns with the hourly PO3. Very nice. Very, 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 very nice. We got the 1 hour PO3 it aligns with, as well as, yeah, 15-minute PO3. Very nice. Yeah, I would honestly take this trade. Live market, so we're going to take it. And if I get fucked, hey, it is what it is. Do I go break even at the stop? I don't know. We'll see, bros. We'll see. We'll see. No way. Oh my god. Are we serious? Oh, I should have went break even. Bro, why didn't I go break even? Would have been break even, bro. We took out the draw. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, well, it's break even. Whatever. The trade idea. No. Oh, that's so butt. Is what it is, though, bros. No way. Okay. I was going to say, wow. Okay. Break even. Woohoo. Yummy. Oh, well. It is what it is, though. Did we... Is there something I missed or something? Or... That's crazy, bruh. No, even... Well, I guess the 4 minute... Was there a 5 minute? There's no way. Oh, wow. No way. We even had a 5 minute. We had a 5 minute. No way. Well, that's what I missed. We took the 3 minute without looking if that was the highest time frame inverse. Bros. Look. I could have literally got a 1 to 4 RR. Now, I don't like the wick on this. It is like, what are we going to do? Okay, human error, break even trade, all good, bros. It aligned with everything. Honestly, I probably would have taken the 3 minute anyway, because look at the 3 minute, damn near a change in the state. There was a 4 minute too. I don't really look at the 4 minute though. Fuck the 4 minute. The 4 minute can actually saute my ass on a grill. I can't lie. I don't like the 4 minute. I'm not a 4 minute type of guy, but never used it. 94% win rate in December without using it, so eat my cock. Okay. Guys, this is all jokes, by the way. I don't genuinely think like this. I'm trying to think of funny shit to say for the YouTube, and then I'm like, wow, I just sound like a fucking ass. Don't genuinely think like this, though. Dead ass. Okay, what would the high time frame draw be here? Yeah, I guess the next place we have like this 4 hour swing, which is like the only thing I can really think of or really justify. Low-key, we do have this 1 hour. We have the 2 hour that we are. Okay, no way. Wait, where are we aligned with this, bro? Why is that possible? So the 1 hour, I can see some shit like this. I just know we go higher. That's so butt. Whatever, bro. I guess I don't see what happens, though. So I have no idea. Just because that happens doesn't mean that I'd be, willing to take a trade or whatever. But 30 minute here, too. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm going to just extend it. I'm going to just do something like that because now we know. And I bet there's a... Oh, yeah. This is nice, bro. With the very, very nice rebalance. Ooh, it is all the way down here, but good enough, bro, that we take the imbalance. I can't lie. Go to market open. Okay, market open. Looks like we... London lows is still here. Probably there's got to be an SMT there. I'm not gonna lie. If there's not an SMT at London lows, there is no fucking way we either don't take these out or there's an SMT here. If we just pump, I'm guessing there's an SMT. Wait, I have the SMT. Of course, it's not gonna do shit, huh? Does it not work with backtesting? No way. The SMT shit don't work with backtesting. That's some bullshit. Wow, okay, whatever. 80, what 80? And we've wicked into this 5 minute, so we low-key could just... I don't see why we would go lower, but... Wow, holy fucking conundrum. This is nuts, bros. It's also 10:33. But like also with this, okay, wow, that's hella unfair. We also damn near inverse this 30-minute, but I bet we still, yeah, the way we're holding the 2 hours, nuts, bro. We open here, it's literally like a fat Judas. We have a Judas. Let's see, you probably have a 4-minute inversion the way it's looking. Bro, see, it doesn't even want to load the 3-minute time frame because it's so ass, bro. London highs above. Oh, I'm fucking with this low key. And we inverse this 5-minute. I'm liking this. I am liking this. Inverse the leg. Change in the state. Strong displacement. Yeah, equal lows really aren't that significant here at this point. I can't lie. So I'm going to take this little 5-minute inverse. PO3 aligns, looks very nice. Manipulated lower, looks very nice. Well, shit. All right. Dubs. All right. Next day. Dubs. W, fat boy. Okay, let's go to 9 a.m. Once more. Okay, daily time frame. Oh my god, we've taken out both daily high and daily low. Oh my god. Okay, still have the 4-hour intermediate or 4-hour swing intact. And now we are delivering off this 4-hour. I'm liking. Probably a 2-hour as well. Nice. Wow. Probably another bullish day. I mean, well, clearly a bullish day, but see how price opens. Wow, okay, 9:30 does fuck off. We start holding this 5-minute. Let's see, I have a 15-minute. Nice. We have this 15-minute here. Clearly, this is going to be our condition. We have a 15-minute sponsored by this 4-hour. Very clearly, we do not want to go higher. We now have just stacked LR up here with the higher time frame DOL up there. Very nice. We are holding that. The only thing I don't like is the PO3. It's not really aligned. 9:30 did some crazy quick work. But this is high resistance, sponsored by a gap. So, and we sweep out. Let's see, we do sweep out some 15-minute. Yeah, have this. We sweep out some 15-minute liquidity. Take some 5-minute swings. Yeah, nice. Okay, wicking into this, filling this imbalance almost completely. Very nice. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now, okay, so we finally do. We sweep, we get a turtle soup. The wick shit is actually insane here. Okay, maybe we'll get a continuation higher. Nice, we just inverse the 5-minute. Oh, no, what am I doing? Oh, wow, holy shit. Oh my fucking god, what are we doing? Bro, what the hell is going on? Can we do something? Okay, now we have the 9:45. Maybe we got something out of that. Hell no. Oh my god, we got 2 Jewish fakeouts here. I mean, if you took this, you don't know how fucking the markets work, but maybe I'm really hoping we can open like a 5-minute. We just won't, I guess. Holy shit. Okay, are we just bearish now? Still holding this. We have inversed. I mean, we did inverse this 5-minute here, but it was the wick into the 15-minute, so what the fuck are we doing? Okay, now we're getting like a 5-minute lower. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is going on, bruh? Yo, price is so butt. No way though. We've literally there's once again another Jewish fake out. I bet we'll probably get inverse out of this. No, not even. What the fuck are we doing, bros? Dude, this is so butt. Now it looks like we're about to inverse this. Low key, this is this the trade, bro? This is shit. Oh, this is so butt, bro. Oh, this is so butt. Yeah, we might have like a 15-minute PO3. Okay, kind of shitty ass shit. Kind of shit as fuck that we open here and manipulate. We actually manipulate about shit nothing. 5-minute wick. Wow. Okay. Yeah, this is dog shit. Not gonna lie. Do we take this? I don't really even want to. This is kind of depressing. We do have 10 a.m. wick here though. But and then also the 1 hour currently. Yeah, I'm not liking that we opened up here and yeah, I don't know. It'll probably pay out. I just don't like it. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, and it's just like the time to close. Like, it is 3 candles and we close instantly without a down close candle. But then also like we literally, I don't know. Do we think this will play out? Let's see. Yeah, okay, played out. Wait, did it? I don't even know. Would I have got my 1-to-1 yet? Wow, probably. Oh my god. Oh, no way. Oh my god, boys. A break even. A break even or straight to stop. Well, I guess if you had stop here. If you had stop here and then like something like this targeting all the way up there, yeah, you'd be fucked. Well, and then now it's also, yeah, and it's also 10:55 now. Yeah, it's also, this would have been also entering at 10:30. A 5-minute inverse at 10:30 is like, ooh, yikes. Okay, well, fade day. Wanted to take that. I just wanted to mark it out. Don't think I'm taking this shit because I'm marking it out. I literally just am like curious, like, oh, this may play out. But yeah, I'd never take some bullshit like that live. Previous day high all the way here. Previous load fucking don't exist on the daily currently. Holy shit, we have a huge fucking imbalance here. Huge 4 hour here. Looks swell. Yeah, lots of draws lower, lots of daily draws lower. You can see stacked up liquidity. We have this trend line liquidity here. Lots of, yeah, that's really all that is, trend line liquidity. Can't lie. Let's see. We haven't tapped into the 4 hour yet. We have this that we've inverse through now. 30-minute. Okay, we do have a 30-minute as well. So if we could target the 4 hour. That'd be quite nice. Depending on how, it just depends what happens. I either want to see something like this, and this is literally how I make it so easy for myself. I either want to see something like this, or I want to see something, or I want to see something like this. It just depends on what the DOL is, right? So it just depends on what the DOL is and what we're more likely to do, high time frame narrative wise. And looking at it at 4 hour, I believe that the next draw is going to be this 4 hour imbalance after we've swept out a lot of significant higher time frame liquidity. And we do have, nope, not really. Especially now we are bullish on the 1 hour. Probably have 15-minute inside of this. Yep, so we have this 15-minute that we've whipped. So really, potentially, we may not even have to come back down here. I would like to see this 30-minute get filled because I would not like to be longing with a 30-minute gap at our stop loss. I like to have HR at my stop and low resistance liquidity at my TP. So yeah, let's just go ahead, dive right into market open. One more candle. I bet we do tap the 30-minute. We don't tap the 30-minute, but we are still holding this. Okay, so that's nice. Ooh, 5-minute also looks like dog shit. Not very nice. Yes. Oh my god, why are we rejecting the 30-minute so much? Finally, we tap into the 30-minute 9:45. Yippee fucking doodah. with this. Now I don't like hourly candle. Hourly candle is the 15-minute candle. Ooh, yikes, bruv. Ooh, yikes. Ooh, yeah, with all the LR, bro, and the high time frame DOL above, bruh. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This 2-minute is low-key sauce, bros. Stop here. TP for the 1-1. Holy shit, dude, I don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, we already took a fuck. We already took it out, though. Yikes. Yikes, what's the play here? I really like the reaction out of the 30-minute, though. Yeah, look at the reaction at the 30-minute. You can see here, 15-minute. Opened, manipulated lower into the 30-minute, sweeping a lot of this. Did we sweep London? No, I'm fucking retarded. Holy shit. I don't know, bruh. It just seems like, for one, and it's also, I think, the first inverse. Oh no, this is the first inverse. But also the other thing is like the 1 hour candle opened here. And then we didn't really, I don't know, bros. I don't know. Should I wait more for more? I'm not gonna lie. We do have the 15-minute PO3. But I don't know. I don't really want to take a loss. I could have better conditions here. It's very, very low-key obvious, though. It's low-key very obvious. Like, where do we want to move from here? Oh, look at this. We're still fucking rejecting off this 30-minute or the hourly or whatever. Wow, very heavy. No, we actually closed above it, so it really doesn't matter. Low-key, I think I'm chilling here. This looks really good, other than the hourly PO3. That's the only thing. We do have the 945 PO3, though. So, let's say fuck this really fast, because the 15-minute PO3 looks very, very swell here. I'm not gonna lie, bros. I low-key take this. This is a really good trade, bro, so I'd be willing to take this anytime. The only thing I don't like could be a Jewish fake out. If I get stop loss here, though, that's chill with me, bros. I can't lie. Nice. Okay, so I was correct. I'm glad that I decided to take that, because genuinely that was a good trade that I would be taking live market. The only thing that I really didn't like is that we did, so the 15-minute candle, then the 945 15-minute candle did wick out a lot of the liquidity up here, but we can see on the 1 minute that we do have a lot of generated slanted liquidity right here, okay? So on my entry on the 2-minute inverse right here, we put in HR, high resistance liquidity, and at the current time, at inversing, we're aligned with the 15-minute PO3, okay? We open here, or some shit, yeah. Or this is the 2 minute, so we open in between these, or you can see better on the 1 minute actually. Yeah, so we open here, 945, run lower into the 30-minute gap to sweep out all of this liquidity, creating high resistance sponsored by this 30-minute gap, sponsored by, well, really just the high resistance liquidity. And then we have the inverse out of it, and then the inverse, let's take note of the inverse on the 2 minute and on the 1 minute here. We can see we inverse the leg. We don't inverse this, right? But on the 2 minute, we inverse the leg. So the leg starts here. We have up, down, up. So the leg gets inversed, okay? If there was a reg up here, I'd wait for that. There's not a 3 minute, nor is there a 4 minute. And then we can see after this, it's like, where do we want to run? Slanted lows above with the high time frame DOL, the 4 hour above us. So very nice. I wonder, yeah, so we hit TP and then immediately we're just chopping now. Okay, well, nice. So I guess we don't want to tap to the 4 hour, but yeah, very nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna do one more trade. I forgot what I am. I'm what, 2 wins, a break even. Well, I'm a break even, 2 wins. I don't know. Did I take a loss? I don't know. I have no fucking idea, boys. If I took a loss, it is what it is, bros. Where was I again? Oh yeah, we're on the last week of November. I'm also tired too, guys. So this is when I'm tired, and imagine when I'm live market and like, you know, ready to rip NASDAQ a new asshole. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, boys? Okay, previous day highs already taken. Market sentiment from here, it looks quite bullish. Broken structure on the daily time frame. Probably a 4-hour gap somewhere chilling around here. Okay, so we do have this very liquid move down. So normally what do we see through that? Very liquid moves up. Alrighty. And do we tap into like... No, we tap into diddly dog shit over here. Maybe a daily? Not even a daily, but look, you can see that we reject off absolutely dick and air. Fucking literally magic and air. We rejected off magic and air, folks. That's what I'm gonna start calling it when we just do bullshit. We have this new weekly opening. What is this? A new day opening gap from Friday to Sunday. Why did price jump so much? Anyways, who cares? We filled that nice, so that could be really our fair value gap. Because that's like, is that a, no, it's not on the 4-hour, but it is on the 2-hour. Nice, okay. Was it significant enough? We've just inversed this 30-minute. Wow, this looks quite shit today. I can't lie. Not even an hourly. We have this hourly we just closed. Looks like the next draw could potentially be here. Okay, well, thank you for fucking up my fucking Cheerios. Yeah, so this is literally showing us up until 10 a.m. That's pretty fucked. Yikes, bro. Yikes, bros. Yikes. We do have this hourly that's untapped as well. Yeah, and it's funny that we still have not tapped into that. Yeah, in the 4-hour you can clearly see we've already tapped into. Okay, so let's just go to market open. Maybe we have a 15-minute gap below us. No, we've actually inversed it, so that's fucking swell. Let's just go to market open. Hammer it. Holy fucking moly, bros. Okay, well, we've clearly tapped into the 1-hour. Okay, we've now tapped into the 1-hour. We have lots of... Okay, I don't like how we're rejecting off that. We have lots of... Holy shit, this is huge, bro, for the 5-minute. Okay, so we can see we've now tapped into that. Let me move my PO30 back to the 1-hour. This will be the last one I'm going to do. We are now at a 40-minute, almost long video. I think this is a pretty great video, though. I can't lie. So, London lows. Where are London lows? London lows are here. Alright, fuck off then. As well as, like, we probably have, like, an hourly draw right here. Nice, tapping into the 1-hour. I want to see if it'll move lower from this. If not, I don't know. That's really all I want to see. I'm not going to lie. I don't really want to be trading inside of this big-ass gap. So, you see what we do here. Let's just dump. Oh, my God. We're just going to do fuck all. Okay, nice. So, we've now opened a 5-minute condition. Or a 5-minute. Okay, we have a 15-minute as well. Let's see, a 30-minute. We have a 5-minute. Let's see, did we get something out of that? We could have got a little bullshit out of that. Let's see, hold up. Okay, and we're just dicking around, low-key. We fuck around. We see a Jewish fake out. Probably, well, this here, I guess. At 950, we probably got a better inverse, though, than that. Nope, we didn't. We have a 1-minute targeting, like 930 highs. Would I have taken this? Low-key, fuck to the no. I'm surprised this wasn't a Jewish fake out, because that's what they like doing. And it's also like your targets is in the void. Your target's just in the void of an imbalance, of a liquidity void. You're targeting somewhere where price doesn't want to go. Now 15-minute PO3 may align. Let's see. Yeah, we open here. We run lower, manipulating the gap, sweeping some 5-minute juice swipe. Ooh, 5-minute swing we sweep actually. Now the reaction off of that is quite nice. I would honestly put my stop here though, so then I could just do something like this, targeting like low hanging fruit, something like that. Because then it's like, it's not terrible. Could go break even here. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do because low-key this looks chill. We're not really lacking participants to go any lower. We grabbed the liquidity here, and I think now that we are at least on the 1 minute, you know what I mean? Our next objective is going to be these 930 highs. Let's see. Yeah, super fat wick. 15 minute not really worried about because we failed this 5 minute. Yeah, so what is, why the fuck would we go? I don't like that we really play around. I also don't like that we are in a fucking gap. It does align with 15 minute PO3 though, so you know what, let's just take this. If we get stopped, fuck it. Going break even at 930 highs. Stop at the under the gap. We may want to come down and fill that, and if we move down this far anyway, the trade's fucking wrong. So see what we do here. Okay, get the fuck out of here. Yo, you boys know, hold up. First of all, live cattle futures is something we could trade. We can also trade fucking gasoline futures tough, okay? Tuffy, alright? Okay, well, we couldn't even go break even because we won the trade. But yeah. You guys understand why I took this? It's like, where else are we going to move after the displacement? We're not lacking participants to go any lower. We can see like the hourly gap, and I bet we just flow through this bitch. Yeah, so we are just flowing through it. I don't like we are in a higher time frame imbalance, but you can see that we're not like we didn't wick, and we had a body close inside of it, and then the next candle, right? Well, this is the 10 a.m. candle, and I wonder. Also 15-minute PO3. So my time frame is on the 15 minute, but if we go in the hourly now, I bet that it's the candles flip bullish. Yeah, it's also 10 a.m. opened here though, so yeah, 10 a.m. is gonna be bullish. But by the time we got our entry, when we had our entry, the 1 hour was the 1 hour was actually bullish, bros. The 1 hour was bullish out of this, so that's actually very, very swell. Very nice. Look at this, yeah, fat candle, man, fat AD, you feel me? But yeah, ladies and gents, that's all from me. We have this tap into the 5 minute gap, and I don't know, this trade just looked very, very, very obvious to me, especially with it's like we have something like this, 930 highs here, we have slanted highs, we are targeting low resistance, our stop loss is high resistance. Very nice, bros. I'm gonna mark this out really quick for the thumbnail. Low key. Yeah. Is it there? Yes. Skadushel. Alrighty, boys. This has been Keeb. I don't know. I'll have to rewatch this and see. A nice 45-minute long backtesting video, bros. Just me backtesting. 3 wins in a break even, I think. And I predicted 3 Jewish fakeouts. Something like that.